When an alarm is triggered by a Fortecho tag, either because the tag has been moved, tampered with, or the environmental parameters have been breached, I need to know how to clear the alarm. At this point, I've seen an alarm come through the illuminated manuscript I have in Gallery 17A. Now, the second this alarm comes through, I may want to follow the suggested action shown to me here, which I have inputted previously. These tell me to check with the guards in the area. Perhaps I go and investigate the situation. We realize that all is well with the display case and with the object, and now I want to clear the alarm from my Fortecho system. In order to do this, I tick the checkbox on the left-hand side and I select this button, which will let the system know that I have dealt with the alarm and I'm happy with it. If I have multiple alarms that go off at once, I am able to clear all of them at the same time. Instead of clicking this checkbox here, I click this button on the top left, which will then select all the boxes and all the alarms that appear below. I do the same thing and clear the selected alarms.